playing Rage Runner, part 2, 3, or 4. I can't remember. Let's play! Let's play, okay, guys? Alright, it looks like it's loading, kinda. The new update is Superwoman and Superman. Alright, let's put that to the side. Alright, let's play, guys. Alright. Oh! I wasn't watching what I was doing. I was trying to press the thing. Okay. This thing there. Oh, okay. I don't like that, kinda. I don't like that. Wait, Okay, we got 50 seconds on the clock. Joniana's yelling for, King. Okay, looks like we're doing good. Uh-oh, what do we do? Oh. Whee! We did it! Okay, let's go to the gray one. Whee! Ooh, I smell dinner. It smells so good. Cause it's near, dinner time. Whoa, I jumped twice. Weird. I didn't press twice. Unless I did. I don't know. Uh-oh, what do we do? Oh, we jump right here. Okay, let's do that. Okay, we did it. Ooh, hard. Ooh, hurry. Okay, we did it. Jump. Okay. Jump! See if we can do it. Oh, we did it. Oh! The next map. Okay. That's okay. Okay, jump to here, Let's go. Go to the square. Okay. Jump on the moving platform. Alright, looks like we're on blue now. Yay. Gosh, I was for sure, I knew that I wasn't gonna make that. Alright, looks like we're on purple now. Oh gosh, it's scary. Okay. Oh my gosh. So scary. Sorry for screaming. No! No! I wasn't watching what I was doing. I was trying to move my headphone cord. Oh, no. That was so sad. Okay. Dumb headphone cord. Where? Moving platform. We did it! Okay. Let's go through this circle. Ooh, that was close, man. You guys could be girls, too. Could be both. Up here. So close. Oh my gosh. Whoa, okay. Ooh, we did it! Alright, we're on purple. This time, let's not fail. It's kind of like the other one. I think it is the other one. No, these are different. Oh my gosh. No! Why do I keep doing that? Are you serious? I worked so hard to get there. Oh, I gotta fix my cord again. Annoying. Oops. Okay. Let's do it again. Okay, let's not miss up this time at all. Okay, we're gonna go through here. Ooh, it's so hard to do. Oh my goodness. She purchased checkpoints. Yay! So if I fail on that level, I can just respawn on that level. So it makes it much more easier. Okay. A lot of people die in the purple one probably because it's super hard. Wait, it looks like I did it. Okay, we're on purple now, I guess. Someone's behind me. Okay, let's keep track on the race. Wait, it's not a race, is it? Wait, Rage Runner. I don't know. I died. Okay. Let's see how much. Wait, can we get by a pet? Oh, we can trade. Can we trade? Wait, I don't have anything. Where do we get stuff? Go to shop, maybe? Crate. There we go! I want the series 1 crate. But I also want the series 2. Which one should I get? Comment down below. And I'll put it in the next video. Or in the chat. I'll put it in the description. Which one I bought after this video if I get enough money. Which is probably never if I don't finish this hobby. Or parkour. Why? I jumped! No! That's not fair! Let's see if someone will give me something for free. This looks scamming though. I don't know. Wait, I forgot we have checkpoint. How did I forget that so easily? Oh. Okay, looks like moving platform. Oh my goodness. Jump. No, 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 no. We should have waited. This sucks. How'd he do that? He probably has a game pass. Oh, guys, use our code Rosie for Robux when helping me out. What? I just tongue twister. To help me out. Okay. Cause I have 0 Robux. I used it on my outfit. See? I bought some hats for you guys. And if you guys want something, join. If you guys want some Robux, actually, use our code Rosie. Ah, no! So close! I was finishing it while I was talking. It actually helped me. Okay, let's do one step at a time. King and Jonana will. Why the heck did I die? How? Like, how? How? Oh my gosh, I'm so mad. Wait, is that Jonana? Ah, my headphones. Alright, maybe. Let's go check. Alright, let's see. Nope, she's not on. That's Magic Roblox. Oh, guys, if you want to be in my videos, friend request me or follow me and join my stuff. Because I might be making a video. For sure I'm making one tomorrow. And I'm sorry for posting late and stuff. And not making videos. It's been like a month. I'm so sorry. I gotta keep on track of my stuff. Yeah, I know. You guys are probably mad. But my goal is 100 subscribers. I know, like... Who is that? That's King. I'm making a video. I'm making a video, King, without you. I'm doing it right now. He's so little. He's so cute. Alright, that girl finished already. Wow. I think she bought it. Oh, she just now finished. Okay. Maybe we can catch her in 57 seconds, because that's the time left. Alright. Alright, there we go. And and about face reveal and stuff, like, a bird keeps telling me about a face reveal. So, a little bird told me about face reveal. So, maybe I'll do a face reveal in, like, a couple years. Maybe, like, 2 or 3 years. But, guys, we have to reach our subscribers. Then maybe I will do it. Because we need a bunch of subscribers to see my face. And if you, like, show your faces and stuff. King's like, let me in now, because I locked my door. No! Ha, it's locked. No, you're just going to jump on my bed. He likes to jump on my bed. Oh, someone tried requesting me. Okay, I'm going to accept because I have nothing. Maybe he's trading with someone else right now. What the heck? Meh. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video soon. Maybe like 1 more minute. Ah! No! It's like twisting and turning. It's so hard, guys. Okay, I wonder if they could add halos in this game and add like new maps. I already played all the maps. I played this a lot, and I played Bloxburg. I will make a video of Bloxburg. We will be making a house. Well, I already made a house, but I will show you. Maybe I will build a boy room and a girl room. So there will be a part 1 and part 2. So yeah. Anyways. Oh, look at this girl's outfit. She's so cute. Oh, this one too. They're all cute. Alright. That girl's already on the navy. Well, that's green, I guess. So that's navy, yeah. Well, it's not really a navy blue. It's like a light navy blue. You know? Alright. But anyways, guys, if you like this video, make sure to smash that like button and follow. I mean, not follow. I'm so used to following. Like TikTok and stuff. I do have a TikTok. Go check that out. And subscribe. Like and subscribe and turn on notifications if you want to see more. But anyways, sooner or later, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Wait, I forgot the secret word. Bye, my roses. Bye.